I've always wanted something to keep the inside of my microwave clean and avoid messes from hot food splatter. So I got this microwave oven silicone cover. I like that it's made from silicone, which is better at handling heat compared to plastic or glass. This cover is also collapsible and lightweight. You can fold it up easily and quickly. What's really cool is that it has 5 magnets on the top so you can attach it to the inside of your microwave when you're not using it. This makes storing it super easy. It's a good fit for most microwaves measuring 11 by 11 inches with a height of 3.15 inches. Plus, it has a handle-like area in the center that you can hold on to. It's made with Bpa Free Silicone and it's heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This cover works very well at preventing splatter and it's easy to clean. When not in use, the magnetic design lets you store it on the inside ceiling of the microwave, saving space. This cover has definitely helped me keep my microwave cleaner and my food hotter.